Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is about unboxing. This is not new, but this is my second purchase of Cricut Maker. I love this machine kasi I use this for my fabric crafts, boxes, and other related projects. I also use this for souvenir makings, invitation, such as that. So, I bought this from a crafter who is not into, let's say, who is not really, she doesn't find Maker as a friendly device for her. So, she decided to sell it. This is a replacement machine from the first one na nabili niya sa isang store dito sa Philippines. So, sealed pa siya, guys. Let's open it. As in, wala pa. Hindi ko pa ginagalaw to. Although, I have an idea kung ano na yung nasa loob niya. But, hindi ko pa binuksan kasi gusto kong sabay nating tuklasin kung ano yung laman niya. And para sabay-sabay rin nating makita. Let's open it. So, the box is... Actually, ito, inopen niya lang. Inopen niya na to, but never used it after niyang ma-receive yung replacement. Kasi yung una daw na machine na nakuha niya is broken. So, yun. So, guys, oh my God, andito na naman siya. Sobrang love ko to. Sobrang love ko tong machine na to kasi napaka-helpful nito sa felt materials. You know, guys, yung mga vlog ko nakikita nyo, puro felt flowers, felt something like that. Pero, what do you call this? Yung machine talaga is, wait lang. Alam ko meron na ako nito before. Pero talagang na-amaze lang ako ngayon. Nagiging speechless ako kasi ang bigat niya pala. Papamura ako sa bigat ano ba yan? Ang bigat talaga. May babagsak ko ata. So there you are. So okay. The machine comes from the Happy Station. So, ito yung... Hindi ko alam, guys, kung ito yung kasama. Kung kasama tong mga to sa marireceive ko, pero parang hindi. Na parang... Hindi ko alam eh. Pero alam ko, hindi na siguro. Oo, hindi na siguro. The lilac one kasi pala yung ano niya, yung in-avail niya. Ayun, hindi na ako kita. So, kailangan ko umupo. Okay, aray ko. So, there it is. Oh! Sorry, guys. Na-excite ako. Ayan, there it is. Let's have it. Oh, medyo folded na yung ating virgin pa yung ating mouse. Never na use talaga. And then oh my God, sobrang thank you, Miss Joanne. Ayan, ang aking love na blade, the rotary blade of the Maker, kasi kung wala si rotary blade, hindi ako makakapag-cut ng felt. Yes, that's it. Oh, and ano pa yung mga kasama dito? what is this? Cricut rotary blade cup. Also, may blade cup pala itong rotary blade. Tapos, ito, mga manual. Okay, manual. As in, super bago talaga, guys. So, happy naman ako. Diba, hindi masyadong kasi yung camera ko taas. O, diba, pa siya, may sobre. So, wala talagang, ay, ang galing. Iningat-ingatan kong buksan kasi ayoko magalit. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda ng mga textured niya, paper. And then, so ito yung sa first box, sa maliit na box. Tali muna natin dito. Yan. Tapos, OM. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay, galing. So, ayan na siya. Ito na siya. Wait lang, may kasama yung laman pa yung box. Akin na. Dito. So, yung isang box, tinanggal na namin. Yung isang box, ito yung kasama niya. Yung saksakan. Tapos, so dapat, ganito pala dapat pag-ayos nito. Cricut maker for replacement. Ticket number. Receipt. Okay, so I have to keep that. Kasi in case na magkaroon ng problema, at least, naka-warranty pa rin ito. So, ito na guys. Yan. Okay. Parang fine point ko nawawala. Oh my God, may plastic pa siya. I am very happy. As in, super happy ako guys. Pero parang may kulang. Masin yung mga blade niya. Ano mga kasama nito? May hinahanap akong blade. Yung fine point blade. Pero hindi ko makita. Oh. Wala yung fine point blade. Wala pa rin siyang kasama fine point blade. What is this? Kasi hindi, guys, kaya ako naghanap ng fine point blade kasi yung unang binili kong Cricut maker, merong fine point blade. Yung kulay itim at saka yung kulay, what do you call this? Yung kulay gold. Sige, let's try to open this. I hope and I'm expecting na nandito nga ang ating fine point blade. Kabahan ako. Kasi siyempre, di ba? O baka naman, hindi naman ako. Baka naman nandito lang yun. Sabi naman ako, nag-worry. So, paano mo ito i-open? Ganon. Ooh. Wala nga. Ay! Ayun siya! Ay, sorry. Andito pala siya. Sabi ko sa inyo, papanik lang ako eh. Ito siya. Yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong blade. Yep. So, meron akong isang extra blade for this na binili na supposedly, akala ko ang nabili ko para kay Cameo. Pero hindi pala. So, do you want to make me a sample for this machine? Parang ganda ng kulay niya ngayon. Hindi ganito yung atin, di ba? Pinakauna. Ang kinis. Ang kinis. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Hindi na group lang. Hindi niya daw kasi naman pera. Pera ko naman din. Anyway, guys, thank you. So, yun. So, yun yung mga kasama niya. I have to remove all this and start making my own crafts. Kasi ang dami kong project na kailangan simulan with this Cricut maker. And by the way guys, sobrang thankful ako dito and sobrang good deal nito kasi nabili ko siya for 18,000 pesos. 18,000 pesos? Oh my God. From, well, yung branding nito is naka-down na sa 20,500 sa store ni The Happy Station ni, I'm not sure if Googly Gooey's, and Be Happy, ano na sila, naka lower price na sila. So, if you buy a brand new Cricut maker with everything on it, it's 20,500 or 20,499, whatever. But, with this kasi, complete set siya, yung nabili ko, and I have a freebies from the seller, from Miss Joanne. So, this is my freebies one box. I already opened it kasi I want to see kung ano yung mga freebies. And sobrang gulat ko kasi look, this is a pump bottle for pump bottle. This one. Tas, she also gave me this and this. And this is the cutest. I don't know kung anong gagawin ko dito, pero tuwang-tuwa ako dito, guys. Oh, ang cute, di ba? Thank you, Miss Joanne, for sending me this freebies. And sobrang sulit niya, guys. Thank you for the good deal, Miss Joanne. I am so overwhelmed and I am so blessed for everything I have received right now. And I have here extra shirts for the vinyl print, and well, I also do printing, sa t-shirt printing using dark transfer paper. And this one, I might use this for vinyl. But this one is nice no? Pwede natin, ay daddy, look yung yung fabric ko. Baka pwede natin gawin tong uniform ng aming events. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me make a short clip for the I'm sorry, but I guess it would be on my next vlog na lang. I'll show you how to use the Cricut maker for those who doesn't know how to operate this one. Kasi, dahil nga meron na ako before, so medyo sisiw na lang sa akin yung pag-control sa kanya. And may mga natutunan din ako from the Silhouette Cameo, from the Silhouette Studio application to designer space na mga functions. So, for now, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope mag-subscribe kayo for more of my crafting, events setup, and other things that, malay nyo, may magkaroon kayo ng idea about what I am doing. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you guys again. Bye!